guys, welcome back to another test. Now, as you remember, last video I did a test with volume, with the intro. Now, it seems that it worked, so it seems to be a glitch with the transition that I was using. But now, hopefully it should work. And that's the way. That's the I want my intros. So yeah, this is just a quick little another try to double check. I do want to be absolutely sure. I will do one more video to triple check. If this or the next video test does not work, I will continue. I'll just do it without the intro for now, and I'll upload tests. So yeah, remember I am gonna be streaming on Twitch, and my next main video, the reason why I'm just like acting as if it like I only just made it, as if that was the first time I mentioned it, is because I recorded it before I started talking about my Twitch. So yeah, that was originally going to be a news update for Twitch. So yeah, so this is just a quick little test. See if it works at this rate. So yeah, also I figured out how to go like this. Because this is like a laptop, I didn't know how to do it, but now I didn't know how to do like that sort of thing. So but now I do. So because that was like overlapped by like brightness and all that. So yeah, I'm Diamond Creeper, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.